AIPRM for SEO Chrome extension, best ChatGPT prompts. AIPRM for SEO Chrome extension. AIPRM, Artificial Intelligence-Powered SEO and Content Marketing Assistant, is a full Chrome extension to assist SEO specialists and content creators in enhancing the search engine visibility of their work. AIPRM for SEO Chrome extension provides real-time SEO analysis, identifies target keywords, and provides recommendations for customized content optimization using cutting-edge AI algorithms. To get prompts for ChatGPT, use this extension in the best way. The purpose of the article. The article examines the advantages of utilizing AIPRM for SEO prompts, particularly when combined with ChatGPT. In this article, we'll talk about the value of SEO prompts, define ChatGPT and AIPRM, contrast AIPRM with other SEO tools, and showcase studies and user reviews of AIPRM. The benefits of using AIPRM. A concise summary of the advantages of utilizing AIPRM for SEO Chrome extension can offer several benefits, including bettering website traffic and rankings, raising content relevance, and streamlining the content creation procedure. The analysis performed by AIPRM using AI offers thorough feedback and practical suggestions for content optimization that can improve search engine visibility and engagement rates. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT definition and explanation. A modern AI language model, ChatGPT, generative pre-trained transformer, was created by OpenAI. It enables seamless and exciting communication with chatbots and virtual assistants by using machine learning to generate natural language responses to user input. Advantages. Advantages of ChatGPT for SEO. High-quality content for SEO, like meta descriptions and social media posts, can be produced using ChatGPT. Additionally, it can make suggestions for relevant content creation topics and help with keyword research. SEO experts can save time and resources while still producing interesting and valuable content by utilizing the power of AI-generated content. The importance of ChatGPT prompts for SEO. Explanation. A description of SEO prompts and their significance for optimizing content for search engines can be found in AIPRM for SEO prompts or recommendations. They consist of technical SEO considerations, content analysis, or keyword research. Ensuring content is pertinent, high quality, and optimized for search engine visibility can help. How SEO tips can increase website traffic and rankings. Content producers can raise their website search engine rankings and increase organic traffic by adhering to SEO guidelines. Higher engagement rates, greater brand recognition, and ultimately higher revenue and profitability can result from this. What is AIPRM? Explanation and characteristics. AIPRM, a Chrome extension powered by AI, offers suggestions for content optimization and real-time SEO analysis, as was already mentioned. The advantages of utilizing AIPRM for SEO Chrome extension. The features of AIPRM make it the perfect tool for creating SEO prompts and content optimization. With its personalized recommendations, content producers can save time and ensure their work is fully optimized for search engine visibility. Using ChatGPT for SEO with AIPRM. AIPRM's prompts for ChatGPT or AIPRM for SEO explained that AIPRM uses ChatGPT to produce custom content optimization recommendations and SEO prompts. AIPRM can offer more precise and nuanced suggestions than conventional SEO tools because it uses AI-generated language. The advantages of combining AIPRM and ChatGPT for SEO. Content producers can streamline their content creation process and make sure that it is search engine optimized by combining AIPRM and ChatGPT. While still producing high-quality and engaging content, AI-generated suggestions can assist content producers in saving time and resources. Best AIPRM prompts for SEO and other SEO tools. Advantages. Search engine optimization, SEO, is now crucial to any effective digital marketing strategy in the internet age. As a result, many SEO tools are on the market, each taking a different approach to offer precise and pertinent SEO prompts. However, ChatGPT technology, which provides a more customized and accurate method for SEO prompts, makes AIPRM stand out. AIPRM versus other SEO tools. AIPRM for SEO stands out from other SEO tools on the market thanks to its distinctive approach to SEO prompts. While other SEO tools might provide backlink analysis or keyword suggestions, they need to frequently comprehend the content context and offer specific recommendations based on that context. AI-driven engine of AIPRM excels in this situation. It provides suggestions tailored to the user's content and audience by considering their writing style, tone, and industry-specific jargon. Why the best option for SEO prompts is AIPRM? The best choice for SEO prompts is AIPRM for SEO Chrome extension because it uses ChatGPT technology. It enables tailored and precise recommendations, which may support improved search engine positioning for organizations. AIPRM is also simple and has a straightforward Chrome extension that works with all writing platforms. The content creation process is streamlined because users can get real-time suggestions as they write. AIPRM for SEO also provides a cost-effective advantage over competitors. AIPRM offers a cost-effective solution that offers the best value for money, in contrast to other SEO tools that can be pricey. Case studies for AIPRM. Many businesses have successfully implemented AIPRM, which has improved SEO performance and increased traffic. For instance, by implementing AIPRM's recommendations, a digital marketing company was able to increase organic traffic to their client's website by 30%. Another example is a content writer who used AIPRM to SEO optimize their content and saw a 15% increase in click-through rate. These case studies demonstrate the potency of AIPRM's tailored strategy for SEO prompts. User testimonials and reactions to AIPRM. Users who have used AIPRM for SEO have given it positive reviews and said that it has greatly helped them improve the SEO performance of their content. The tool's capacity to offer tailored suggestions, simplicity of use, and affordability have all received high marks from users. One person said, "My approach to content creation has changed dramatically thanks to AIPRM. The tool offers pertinent and detailed recommendations that have assisted me in enhancing my SEO performance and increasing traffic to my website." Conclusion. Finally, AIPRM's implementation of ChatGPT technology offers precise, individualized SEO prompts catering to the user's audience and content. The tool has a low cost, is simple to use, and has been shown to improve click-through rates and boost organic traffic. AIPRM for SEO provides a valuable solution for companies looking to enhance their SEO performance, as SEO is a critical part of any digital marketing strategy. AIPRM's personalized suggestions can help companies rank higher in search engine results pages, increasing visibility and traffic. Overall, AIPRM for SEO is the best Chrome extension for SEO prompts utilizing ChatGPT technology. Anyone who creates content or works in digital marketing and wants to increase SEO performance should consider it.